One of the common areas where we see failures in the Subaru EJ and FA20 series engines is their head gasket integrity. One of the reasons for this is the factory open deck design of the block, where the cylinder sleeves are not connected to the rest of the block at the deck surface. In high boost and high power applications, this can allow the cylinder sleeves to move around due to the cylinder pressure being generated. In turn, this can result in problems where the head gasket starts to leak. Deshele Performance engines here in Australia address this with a CNC cut aluminium plate which is pressed into the top of the block, and then the block is decked and the rest of the machining processes are carried out. This essentially converts the stock open deck design into a complete closed deck block. This properly supports the cylinder sleeves and ensures that the cylinders aren't going to move around under high boost pressure. To learn more about performance engine building, check out our online engine building courses by following the link in the description to this video.